Hey guys, Thursday, 30th of October 2022. And what we had yesterday was Biden, the man himself, coming out talking about the energy policy in the US, more SPR to release. And I was talking with the guys this morning, love him or hate him. The fact of the matter is, they filled the SPR, Trump filled the SPR, around below $50 a barrel. They've been now selling out of the SPR at an average of about between 90 and 100, and now they're looking to rebuy it at 70. Okay, so that's pretty much underpinning the price on WTI at the moment. And look, that sounds like a good trade, doesn't it? And so really, for the past 12 weeks or whatever, we just haven't, well, actually, for the past kind of 6 months, we really haven't been able to get our head above water in oil. So look, let's get over and have a look here. We've been eyeing up at 86.26 high, and we got a lovely trade there this morning on WTI, just to show you that right there, looking for it. And we are currently coming off of those highs right now. And I think we need to come down to at least 83, 50s. That's down around here before we kind of find some decent buying. And actually, let's just talk about that for now. That's a pretty good target. So look, we're loving that on oil right now. To show you the big chart, really, to show you how, look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months of selling down. Okay, 4, not 6. 4 months of selling down here with the SPR release, big release, and these bids being sold back down on oil. So you can't really argue with that. Love or hate Biden. He's, and is he massaging it for the midterms? Of course he is. Of course he is. All right. So let's have a look at the NASDAQ here as well. See how she's faring. I mean, it is kind of trailing. It is kind of, trailing the gains from last week's lows there. Really big area for the NASDAQ to trade into. A little bit of a problem holding the 11,125s, as you can see, pretty much the high on day on this session so far. But really going with the motion of the ocean here, we're looking for a pullback off of last week's lows. I have to say, I'm not seeing a huge amount of strength. Of course, on the SPOOs yesterday, we were looking at a pullback onto, I know there's a lot in this area, but we were looking at a pullback onto this 39 or 36.98 and a half to find buyers. Initially, kind of came almost close to that. Around the open, bid up into the highs at 37.40s, but then bang, back down and below that supportive area. So really, a lot of washing and barcoding going on in here right now. The market has to close above, for me, it has to close above 37.14s today, or forget about it. We're heading back down. That's kind of how I feel about equities right now. I don't think we need to go to the dailies. I've bored you enough with that. And oil, dollar, quite weak here on the 113.04s today. We're buying bids on euro, but if we manage to get our head back up to the 113 or above 113s, I don't think we want to be long euro. But look at where we're finding the buyers in APAC today and pretty much yesterday in the euro. It's a 2001 low of spot 97.97 back adjusted. All right, so we love these levels. We love how cheap the euro is at the moment. Something I was talking about with the guys this morning as well. Gold, a lot of requests for what is gold doing. Well, gold is sucking the hind one right now, because really it's just following whatever the bonds are doing, right? And here's the bond, right? Doesn't look good. We're down to 2015 levels if we trade 134.53s. Actually, in fact, we're already trading the 115 or 2015 levels down here. And yeah, I think it can go further. And these governments are having a hell of a time with borrowing costs right now, and it's just going to get worse, I think. So gold is probably not the haven you would presume it to be. So here we are in gold on the dailies. Sorry, that's it says NQ there. This is not NQ, and this is gold. So look, I think we could trade 1613s actually before it's all said and done. That's sitting around S2 today. All right, that is it for me for another pre-US session. Please click to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Go and check out the chat I had with Jason Shapiro earlier in the week. It's on the channel here. I'll talk to you later. See ya.